Hot Ones Diecast fam, what's up? Yeah, y'all, we're here with another case break. This time, it's the 2026 D case. Without further ado, we're gonna get into this thing. I meant to cut this actually before we started, and like always, I forgot. Like always. Hope everybody's ready for Winter Storm 2026, about to nail us. Ice-mageddon, yeah, down here in the south anyway. Storm coming through tomorrow, y'all. We got a show tomorrow night. We're hoping we're gonna have power. We'll see what happens. All right, y'all, we're not gonna waste time on repeats. Y'all know that. Whew. New version of the Supercharged 75th anniversary of the NHRA. Dude, that looks good. That looks good. I didn't know that one here.
Light and blue.
Let me adjust my light a little bit. I dig it. All right, y'all. Moving along. Voltage Spike. Not familiar with that one. I think that one's something we haven't seen yet. Donut Drifter we've already seen. Only new one here. We have the Hato Rato in black. It was in white before. I don't know. I don't remember. Moving along. We got another Porsche. Oh, treasure hunt alert. Y'all check it.
I like it.
Check it out. The Buzz Bomb, of course, a play on the rarest Hot Wheel of all time, the rear-loading Beach Bomb in pink. It's worth stupid money. And it doesn't look like we're going to be able to see the treasure hunt logo in there. So you're just going to have to believe me, that's your treasure hunt for the D case. And probably not going to make its way to the site because I think I'm going to keep it. I like VW and especially things in pink. I don't know why. Purple. Also going to do a coupe, new version of that. Looking good. New birthday burner. Also looking good. And we've already seen that come around a couple times. Corvette Grand Sport we've seen all of these, but let's take a look. Of course, that was your Super Treasure Hunt in the C case. There's you another mainline version of it, black F40. Repeats except for a new colorway on the Cruiser Bruiser. Looking, I'm gonna go with K&N filters, y'all. It looks like a K&N filter livery. It's not, but that's what it reminds me of.
Great grocery getter.
Great grocery getter. You can get them in a hurry. Pass and Gasser. Always one of the best named cars ever. In Hot Wheels, I mean, Pass and Gasser back. Just funny. It just is. The others are repeats, y'all. Oh, let's see here. Rapid Pulse Paramedic. Good one for the track. Looks like you have a low center of gravity. A couple repeats. Ooh, I've been waiting on this one actually. I saw this coming. I had a CTSV back in the day. 09. Today, 09. Here's an ATSV R. Y'all, that thing is pretty.
Sparkly.
I mean, come on, y'all. That looks so good. So good. Let's see. Repeats, a new version of the Twin Dorado. Combination of the Twin Mill and, yeah. Combination of that and something else. Repeats.
Oh, is that a keychain?
And it is a new coupe clip.
Purple.
And it's purple. Yeah, I knew this one was coming too.
It's mine.
What? It's mine, y'all. It's mine. She can have it. She's a pink girl. She likes pink.
But that has a little pink on it.
I'm just kidding. Okay, more repeats, y'all. Let's pull the divider. Catch pepper. Let's see. Oh, I've been waiting on this one too, y'all. And from what I understand, there's variations on it too. So I should have remembered that ahead of time. But let's look at this first. The Acceleron first edition for 2026, as you can see there. We've already seen the Audi. All right, so here's your Toyota Prius Custom. If I remember right, I think that one has something on the roof and one does not. But don't quote me on that. But I know there's some sort of variation on this. And I should remember it, but I don't. Raised wheels on it. It's actually, I mean, come on, y'all. Has a Prius ever looked that cool? I don't think so.
I would own a Prius if it looked that cool.
I would too. I would drive it. The new Prius is actually pretty handsome. It's a good looking car. And they finally gave it a decent amount of power too. New version of the Polestar TRX. We've already seen the W1 and another of the black F40. Bunch of repeats and a new version of the Hot Wings. Wait, that's the treasure hunt, y'all.
Oh, it is?
That's the treasure hunt.
Yep, it is.
Because there's your, where is it? There it is. Wait a minute. Okay. I could have sworn the beach bomb. Anyways, we'll look at that later. So, no, it's not. The beach bomb can't be the treasure hunt because there it is. All right, y'all. I'm just an idiot. So, forget that. Ooh, here's the main line to the Super in this case. I was really hoping to pull the Super because yours truly wants one. 64 Impala Lowrider. It's got a great paint scheme on it. I mean, even the main line looks fantastic. I am dying to get my hands on the Super of this one. Great looking car. Let me know in the comments what you think. I think this one's going to be a contender for Super of the Year. Of course, they haven't told us everything that's coming, but I think it will be. Hako Type D in kind of a mint green color, I guess. Repeats. Oh, no. Ferrari 12 Cilindri. I think it's actually Dolce Cilindri. Is what I say 12 in Italian, if I remember right. Y'all, that may be my favorite mainline Ferrari they've come out with since last year. That looks really nice. Good looking car. All right. I didn't know this one was coming. Liberty Walk Works Lamborghini Huracan Coupe in black. I think it's like a matte black, so it does kind of look gray when I have the lights on it. This is a banger case. Yeah, this is a banger case. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay. Can you believe it? A new version of the Renault Espace, or E-Space. Espace? E-Space? I'm just kidding. No, the new CRX. Check that bad boy out. Woohoo! That's looking good. It's an 85. Denoted there on the side. Yeah, y'all, that's a good looking CRX. Y'all, this is a banger case. Bangerific. All right, another of the Prius. Doesn't look like the variation because of the same new quick chat. And we have Visa Cash App Racing Bulls Formula One team. New Formula One car.
Really long name.
Yes. We got some repeats. Another Ferrari Dolce Cilindri. New version of the Feline Lucky. Very popular fantasy casting from last year. We're still selling those on the website. People are still buying them. All right. And 96 Porsche Carrera in root beer.
Oh,
Y'all, that looks so good.
that was fun.
All right, y'all. We've wasted enough of your time. I hope you had a good time watching the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Y'all know we have a website, thehotwheelsdiecast.com. You can go find good stuff there. We got good deals.
And we hope to see you Sunday. If
Yes.
you have power.
Yes. Hopefully we'll have power. We're running on Whatnot Sunday night. And we are doing a huge M2 show, y'all. We're dollar starting cars valued up over $100. So if you see this in time, come see us on Whatnot tomorrow night. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for joining us.
See you soon.
Bye, y'all.